Okay, in terms of personality, we have four different kinds of people. Like the very first one is people who we call them the testers. The people who actually learn everything from reading textbooks. They're really bookworms and they're really soft people. And we call them testers. Why? Because they like to test everything. Like they want to go random and just pick something and try to test it. The second group, we call them the visuals. The visuals are people like me. People like me are the ones that are really into photography or into really videography. They become directors. They become people who are into visual things like, I don't know, digital artists, and I can go on with these careers. So visual people are the ones that learn by watching things. Their eyes are one of the most important part of their body. So without their eyes, they're kind of like, paralyzed in this world. One of the most unique way to actually know a person which is visual is to see their body. They have a lot of ink tattoos. So people with ink tattoos are the ones that are visual. The third party are the ones that we call them the audios. The audio people are the ones that listen carefully a lot because they learn by listening to things. So they have very good memories. They can actually record everything in their mind, and they're really soft people in terms of interacting with others, and they learn by listening. Like they love podcasts. They can just put something on their tape recorder, for instance, and they can listen to it all day, and they never get tired of it. And the last part, the ones that we call them kinesthetics, the ones that learning by touching things, the ones that learning by moving, the ones that learning by being involved with things like physical things. So in that regard, people who are visual are really into YouTube things because YouTube is all about watching videos, and they constantly try to watch, and they constantly thinking about creating beautiful visual videos. So mostly they become directors, I told you before, like they become videographers, the DPs. And as far as I'm a visual myself, I'm into videography as well. So I have a friend of mine, which he's a photographer, he's a videographer, and we actually live together. So I just told him that we can actually start a YouTube channel based on videography. We can actually go record some videos, do some color grading, color correction, stuff like that. Maybe we can actually teach something on that channel. Maybe we can come up with some ideas about reviewing some high-end technologies like cameras, like lights, like teach you how to actually record videos in terms of becoming a videographer. So that's a very different thing. But that's not a very bad idea. We don't want to do it again just for making money or stuff like that. We're going to do it because we like doing this. I mean, like when you're born visual, all you think about is creating videos or watching videos, and beautiful visual stuff's always going to mesmerize you. So you're into making and creating beautiful videos all the time. So yeah, that was the thing that I wanted to share. We want to do it, and I will tell you the channel that we're going to create, and the very first moment that we're going to upload something in there, I'll let you know, and hope you have fun. If you're into videography, if you're into photography, and there are going to be tons of tutorials as well. So that's it for now. Take care a lot, and see you later.